Lakeyah. Hey, I got a range in my yard, 180 on the dash. I'm riding at 300K. How you on my ass? I'm a it girl, you can check the product tag. Only time these bitches eat is when Lakeyah about the fad. But I like girls who own shit, not a leech. Brought her own Cuban in the AP, then we can link. What you mean? I tip the waiter twice the bill when I eat. Y'all be falling out by petty ass Miami house cheap. What I pay for my hair, bitches paying for they lease. If I want him, I can have him, but he can't get next to me. My Louisiana freak, she a 10, Angel Reese. And my IG bitch, aging better than Bernice. I'm a RICH bitch with a roll. Only female having more emotion than a bro. I ain't gotta do a thing, real bitches get chose. Y'all flash for a pic, my Rashawn every pose. Girl, don't stop, keep going, get ratchet. Ay, all the bitches with me bad ain't gotta ask it. Girl, don't stop, keep going, get ratchet. Ay, black truck, bad bitches, we in traffic. Hey, what the fuck going on? KD? Hey, fuck your shit up for a minute, so you know how I'm coming. 300 on my wrist alone, ho, you know how I'm thumbing. Y'all know Kash never play about a coin. Ain't no beating me, so petty, bitch, you better join. We both run the streets, but I'm a boss and you a bum. If it don't make me money, it can never make me come. Y'all fucking nigga once and ready to crash out. Bitch, I barely said hello when you ready to cash out. Look, wrist fuck more skeletons than Halloween. Pussy crack, turn that nigga to a vein. Orange soda lamb, think I'm baby king. Happy bitch, but this body hella mean. Girl, don't stop, keep going.